Hello there, this is Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Stock Market Options Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. Should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Hey, we have our next Saturday class starting tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. We're going to go through using options to manage risk, options for stock investors. It's going to be great. It's going to be awesome, and it's going to be worth your time. Go to optionpit.com/risk class to get yourself signed up, and you will be a happy camper. We got a $100 rebate if you purchase before the class begins. So instead of $297, it will be $197. Not a bad little deal. Speaking of not a bad little deal, the market, well, we're off again. They a little more China risk, a little more we're afraid, earnings, yada, 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 you name it. Yeah, we're definitely seeing markets give a little bit away. We're kind of near yesterday's lows. That's kind of what I'm going to be watching for. Do we just test yesterday's lows and bounce, or do we pop? My gut says that we will probably eventually pop, but, we could see a little bit of confusion today. We've definitely seen a big change in VIX. In a matter of days, it went from being in a heavy contango to kind of backward. You see, Feb's on its own, but March is basically trading over April again, which makes kind of doing anything a pretty significant risk. And creates a real issue for us and kind of what the market looks like. So I'm basically saying that the market is back to, wow, we're not sure anymore. It had been, oh, look how great we are. Now it's, wow, we're not sure anymore. SIBO had earnings last night, and apparently they're a little worried about VIX because SIBO's off. Speaking of VIX, VVIX starting to climb. When it got to 77, I said, buy, 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 buy. And now here we are, and VVIX is 87. And the trade I threw out in VIX was a back spread. And it is trading at a small win in April, and the other one I really liked was March. The March 18, 22. And this was you could sell it at a 15 credit on Monday. That's currently the bid. So, and it's trading basically even money. So that's a nice win. So anyway, the point is, I don't know, this sell-off feels kind of meh-ish. I don't know how long it's going to last. I would probably be a fader. And I think that, come next week, we'll probably be back up. China is on holiday, which I think is affecting markets, and Europe is kind of a mess. But don't see a lot of fundamental reasons for a huge sell-off. And you'll notice that we're not getting kind of the freak out from volatility that maybe some of us are looking for, and that's because I think a lot of the major selling is over with. All right, folks, if you got questions, you can email me, marketoption.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.